This is Emma. She runs a popular cafe in the city. To ensure safety, Emma installed security cameras around her cafe. One day, a thief broke into the cafe and stole the cash register. The thief also destroyed the local storage device for the CCTV footage. Without the video evidence, the police couldn't identify the thief. Emma then heard about Jarvis Cloud Backup AI. Jarvis Cloud Backup AI transforms standard cameras into smart cameras. It offers cloud recording and storage with advanced AI capabilities. Human detection, vehicle detection, and intrusion prevention with alarm notification, with no additional hardware to install. All videos are safely recorded in the cloud, eliminating worries about local storage. Small monthly fee. AI DIY solution easy to use and install. No need for a gateway. Detect intrusion in real time and sends notifications. Instantly access video footage. Scalability. Security. Reliability. Thanks to Jarvis Cloud Backup, Emma's cafe is now more secure.